Hi, this is Sri Lakshmi from Informatica Technical Support. In this video, we will be discussing about how to create a topic in Cloud Integration Hub. This is the agenda for the video. We'll see what is a topic. We'll also see what is a publication repository, and then we will move on to a demo. So topic is an entity in data domain that is published and consumed in Cloud Integration Hub. A topic defines the data structure and additional data definitions such as the data retention period. Multiple applications can publish to the same topic. For example, you can create a sales topic that represents sales data. Application from all the stores in the organization publish sales data to the sales topic. The accounting application subscribes to the sales topic and consumes published sales data from all the stores. So Cloud Integration Hub stores data in a publication repository in a structure that represents the structure in which you want to keep the data. Let's move on to the demo. So to create a topic, select the Integration Hub. So we are in the Integration Hub page here. Go to New, select the topic, and then let's name it Topic Demo. Location, I'm keeping it default. So there are two types of topic. One is incremental load and the other one is full load. So for incremental load, it basically, this particular topic instance will have the recent data changes. For full load, this particular topic instance will have all the data changes from the last publication, from the last recent publication. Then it comes to data retention. We have two types of data retention. One is consumed data and the other one is unconsumed data. So for consumed data, which means that the data which is already subscribed by at least one subscriber, that data will be kept in the staging table for 7 days. It is a default value, it is configurable. The second value is retention period for the unconsumed data, which means that the data which is not yet consumed by any of the subscribers will stay in the topic table or in the publication repository for 90 days. This is again the default value. 90 days is a default value. We can configure it. Now we need to select the structure. We need to enter the structure. So there are different ways of entering a structure. Either we can select a relational table, or we can select it through a flat file or a metadata file, or we can create a new table here itself. I am selecting a connection. So we need to select a connection from the list of available connections. So I am selecting CIH demo from here. The source object would be a person, and the table name I am keeping person itself. Create. So this is how it looks now. So these are the columns: address, city, first name, last name, and person ID is from the table person that we selected. So DIH publication instance date, and this one would be DIH publication instance ID. These two are added by the application to have a date, to know when this data was published, and to have an event ID associated with it. So this is how we create a topic. So we can also see, after we create a new publication and subscription, we will be which publishes to this topic and subscribes from this topic, we will be able to see the publications and subscriptions here, which uses this one particular topic. We also have an option to select this, which prevents new publications and subscriptions to this topic. We can have only one. Yeah, so this is all about how to create a topic in CIH. So after we enter all the details, we need to save it. So we see the object here, and we can also see the details here. So while creating a publication or subscription, we can select this one particular topic demo. So this table structure is basically created in the publication repository, and that is where publishers data to, and subscribers subscribe data from. Yeah, this is how we create a topic in CIH. We would like to hear the feedback from you. Please let us know. You can either send an email to this email ID, or you can let us know through this Twitter ID. Thank you for watching this video.